Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics. In this today's video, we will learn Practice Set 6.3 of 6th lesson Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Before starting practice set, just we recall cubes from 11 to 20. 11 cube equal to 1331, 12 cube equal to 1728, 13 cube equal to 2197, 14 cube equal to 2744, 15 cube equal to 3375, 16 cube equal to 4096, 17 cube equal to 4913, 18 cube equal to 5832, 19 cube equal to 6859 and 20 cube equal to 8000. In the previous video, we have learned cubes from 1 to 10 and today we have learned children 11 to 20. So everyone remember these cubes from 1 to 20. This exercise is based on this formula. A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. Now, let's begin practice set 6.3 question number 1. Question number 1. Y cube minus 27. Here children, this is an expression. Okay children, here how many terms are there? 2 terms. First term is y cube minus 27. Here children, first of all we have to find the cube roots of this number because here children the formula is whole cube is there and b whole cube is there. Here children first term whole cube is there but second term whole cube is not there. Okay children, here cube is there? No. So that's why here we have to find the cube root of 27. So cube root of 27 is children 3. Okay, 3 cube is what? 27. So here we write equal to y whole bracket raised to cube minus 27. No children, it is the cube of 3. So 3 whole bracket raised to cube. Now children, according to formula we got here. Yes, now we put in the formula. Therefore, y whole bracket raised to cube minus 3 whole bracket raised to cube equal to, what is the children? A minus B. So this is your A and this is your B. So what here we take? Y minus 3. Okay children, close the bracket. In another bracket, A square. A means what children? Y. So y square plus AB means A into B. So what is your A children? Y into 3. Y into 3 plus what is there? B square. So what is the B children? 3. So 3 whole bracket raised to square, close the bracket. Okay children, we expanded according to the formula. Now we have to solve children. Y minus 3. We keep as it is. We can't do anything children because these two are the unlike terms. Okay. Now next bracket y square plus y into 3, 3y. Okay children, plus what is the square of 3 children? 9. Okay children, these two are the factors of given expression y cube minus 27. Question number 2. X cube minus 64y cube. Here children, there are 2 terms. Here first of all we have to find the cube of these terms. Solution. Equal to x whole bracket raised to cube minus 4y whole bracket raised to cube. 64 is the cube of 4. That's why here we have to take 4. By using formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, in another bracket children a square plus ab plus b square. By using this formula, we have to find the factors of given expression. Therefore, x whole bracket raised to cube minus 4y whole bracket raised to cube equal to x minus 4y. In another bracket, x whole bracket raised to square plus x into 4y plus 4y square. After expanding by using the formula children, now we have to solve. Equal to x minus 4y will be as it is children. We can't subtract x and 4y because these two are unlike terms. Now x square will be x square plus x into 4y. We get children 4xy plus 4 square is 16 and y square is y square. Now question number 3. 27m cube minus 216n cube. Here children 27 is common between these two terms. So here we take 27 as a common. Solution. Equal to 27 m cube minus 8n cube. Here children 216 equal to 27 into 8. So that's why here we take 27 as a common. Equal to 27 m whole bracket raised to cube minus 2n whole bracket raised to cube. 8 is the cube of children 2. By using formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 27 we keep as it is children common. M whole bracket raised to cube minus 2n whole bracket raised to cube equal to 27 m minus 2n in another bracket children m whole bracket raised to square plus m into 2n plus 2n whole bracket raised to square. After expanding children by using the formula, now we solve. Equal to 27 m minus 2n in another bracket children m square is as it is plus m into 2n we get 2mn plus 2 square is 4, n square is n square. Number 4. 125y raised to cube minus 1. First of all, we have to find the cube of this terms. 125 is a cube of 5 children. Solution. Equal to 5y whole bracket raised to cube minus 1 whole bracket raised to cube. 1 cube is 1 children. So that's why here we have to take 1 whole bracket raised to cube. Now here we have to use the formula to find the factors of given expression. Therefore, by using formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 5y whole bracket raised to cube minus 1 whole bracket raised to cube equal to 5y minus 1, 5y whole bracket raised to square plus 5y into 1 plus 1 whole bracket raised to square. After expanding children, we solve now. Equal to 5y minus 1 will be as it is because these two are unlike terms. 5 square is 25y square plus 5y into 1 we get children itself number 5y plus 1 square is 1. Now question number 5th. 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube. First of all, we have to find the cubes of this terms. 8 is a cube of 2 and 27 is a cube of 3. Solution equal to 2p whole bracket raised to cube minus 27 is the cube of 3 children. So write down 3 upon p whole bracket raised to cube. Now here we have to use the formula children. By using formula, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Therefore, 2p whole bracket raised to cube minus 3 upon p whole bracket raised to cube equal to 2p minus 3 upon p. In the one bracket children, in another bracket, 2p whole bracket raised to square plus 2p into 3 upon p plus 3 upon p whole bracket raised to square. Now children, we have to solve. 2p minus 3 upon p will be as it is children, and 2 square is 4p square plus p get cancelled children. Now here what remains? 2. 2 into 3 we get 6. 3 square is 9. P square will be p square. Question number 6 and 7. Practice yourself children. Now the last question children, that is 8th one. 16a cube minus 128 upon b cube. 16 is not a cube of any number children, because 2 cube is what? 8 and 3 cube is what? 27. So 16 is not a cube of any number. So here we take children common, and 128 is also not a cube of any number. So here we take the 16 common. 16 open bracket a raised to cube minus 8 upon b raised to cube equal to 16. We have taken common children. So a raised to cube minus 2 upon b whole bracket raised to cube. 8 is the cube of 2 children. By using formula, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. By using the formula children, we find the factors of given expression. Therefore, 16a whole bracket raised to cube minus 2 upon b whole bracket raised to cube equal to 16 is common. We keep as it is children. In the bracket, a minus 2 upon b. Close the bracket. In another bracket, a square minus a into 2 upon b plus 2 upon b whole bracket raised to square. After expanding children, we solve further. 16 we keep as it is. A minus 2 upon b, we keep the bracket same as it is children. Now next bracket, a square minus a into 2. We get children 2a upon b plus 2 square is what children? 4, and b square is b square.